Hey folks, this is our Carlsbad Cavern Top Tips. Stay tuned for the very last one because you don't want to be left out in the light.
Take some tours. Now, there are two self-guided tours you can take. The natural entrance and also the tour of the great room. There is also audio tours. You can purchase the audio devices and there are markers throughout that will then prompt for you to listen to the tour as you arrive to that area. Wear appropriate clothing. There's a lot of climbing through here. The surfaces can be wet, and so make sure you have good tread, good boots, and it's a balmy 58 degrees. So make sure you layer accordingly. Carlsbad Caverns. Carlsbad Caverns. Bring water, but only water. They don't allow food or other drinks down here. But they do have a snack bar down here at the very bottom, but you just can't take it on into the caverns. There's a $15 entry fee, but it is in fact a national park and part of the national park system. So if you have one of the national park passes, you can get in here for free. Get reservations. You can do this online, and there's a $1 per person fee for the reservation. However, if you don't get the reservation, this is a very busy park. You may not get a time, you may have to wait a long time, or you may not be able to get in at all.